Welcome to the BrokerChooser YouTube channel. Today, we'll take a look at fusion markets known for their low fees and fast account setup. Whenever we review a broker at BrokerChooser, we open real accounts, deposit funds, place trades, and test withdrawals. We evaluate each broker across 600 data points using a transparent, unbiased methodology. Fusion markets received an overall score of 4.3 out of 5 in our latest review. So let's start with a quick overview before we break it all down. To sum it up, fusion markets is a great choice for cost-conscious forex and CFD traders looking for a smooth start. Here's why. They had exceptionally low fees. Depending on which account type you choose, you can pay a 2.25 commission per side with raw spreads as low as 0. You can also opt for a no-commission account type. In that case, the commission is built into the spread, meaning overall costs starting from around 0.9 pips. Next, we really like their fast, no-hassle account opening. The process is fully online, there's no minimum deposit, and your account will be approved within a day. Looking at its regulation and safety, Fusion Market is licensed by ASIC in Australia as well as regulators by other countries. Negative balance protection is provided for customers who fall under the Australian regulator. Now let's break it down in more detail to see if it's the right fit for you. If you care about keeping your trading costs low, and who doesn't, Fusion Markets really delivers. At BrokerChooser, we tested and compared more than 100 brokers using real accounts, and we found Fusion Markets to be one of the cheapest options for forex trading. So just how cheap exactly? To give you an idea, take a look at the two account types you can choose from. With the zero account, you pay a small, fixed commission of 2.25 per side and get ultra-tight spreads. On major currency pairs like the Euro-US dollar, the spread can sometimes be as low as 0. It means that your main cost is that low commission. With the basic account, there are no commissions. Spreads are a bit wider, but still low by industry standards. Spreads can add up on larger trades, however, but they do keep things simple if you prefer to pay no commission. There are also no deposit and withdrawal fees, and no inactivity fees for either of these account types. This means that you can take a longer break from trading whenever you want without being penalized for it. It's a fantastic deal for both active traders and beginners who want to keep costs under control. So what about safety? Fusion Markets is licensed by several financial authorities, including ASIC in Australia, a regulator considered top tier by BrokerChooser. This means that the company has to follow strict rules designed to protect you and your money. Fusion Markets offer a negative balance protection, but only for Australian clients, meaning that Australian clients cannot lose more money than they have in their account, while clients from other countries could lose more than what they deposited. It's also important to note that Fusion Markets is not a publicly listed company, and users are not eligible for any investor protection. Still, our team considers it a trusted broker to trade with. When it comes to moving money in and out of your account, Fusion Markets keeps things simple. In most cases, it doesn't cost you anything to deposit or withdraw money, which is a big plus. We tested the process ourselves and found it fast and easy. So how does it work? You can use bank transfers, credit cards, or e-wallets, depending on where you live. Just keep in mind that your bank or payment provider may still charge their own fee. Getting started with Fusion Markets is a breeze. The account opening process is 100% online, there's no minimum deposit, and it took us less than a day to get the green light. You just fill out the form, upload your ID, your address, and boom, you're all set. We rated it as one of the best broker onboarding experiences out there. Fusion Markets uses popular trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, both of which you can access from your phone. We found the mobile experience smooth, reliable, and user-friendly, giving you a good variety of order types and the ability to manage your investments easily. It's nothing flashy, but it gets the job done for both beginners and advanced traders. To wrap it up, Fusion Markets is a low-cost, easy-to-use broker with strong safety credentials. It's a solid choice if you're looking to trade forex or CFDs without breaking the bank. However, if you want to trade other assets like real stocks or ETFs, Fusion Markets is not for you. For more details, check out a full review of Fusion Markets by clicking on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit subscribe and go to BrokerChooser.com for more broker reviews. See you next time.